So in this video, you'll learn how to install Signal on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. So the first step is to choose where you're installing from, whether it's from the Galaxy Store or from the Google Play Store. Once you've made your choice, tap on it to launch the app, and then from here, use the search function, and you want to simply type in Signal and then search. You should see it listed in the search results, so tap on it to view the app details, and then simply select install and wait for the app to be downloaded onto your device. Once it's been downloaded, you can tap on open to launch it, or you can simply navigate back to the home screen or App Store, look for it from there and tap on the icon to launch Signal, sign in with your account or create a new account or restore an account, and you can start using Signal on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.